Good day to each and everyone. My name is Tricia Maria Mortera from BSN 2A. So for today's video, I'm going to show you my community and one of the common problems in my community. So as we walk through in our community, you can easily see the trash right away, like small wrappers or plastics or a pile of garbage on the street. It can also be seen on the roads, especially the drainage. If this left untreated, this can create serious negative environmental impact. These are soil contamination, water contamination, air contamination, extreme weather caused by climate change, harm towards animal and marine life, and especially human health, and children being more vulnerable to this problem. Improper waste disposal has a chain effects. Soil contamination occurs when the trash is buried to the soil, especially chemicals or hazardous components. This contributes to air pollution by releasing volatile compounds into the atmosphere. So the more toxic compounds soil contains, the greater the air pollution it creates. It can also lead to the water pollution that can easily mix to the toxic liquid substances and seeps into the water streams to end up in nearby water bodies, and thus affect animal marine life and also us humans. You can get respiratory diseases, which are tuberculosis, diarrhea, whooping cough, and etc. Once a community has a shared understanding of the problems caused by waste, it can take the steps to solve this problem. Reduce the amount of waste created, especially toxic products and the products that cannot be recycled. Not buying products wrapped in a lot of packaging materials. Choosing glass and cardboard over plastic and metal. Using your own shopping bag or basket and refusing plastic bags at the store. Buying food in larger quantities to reduce the amount of packaging you bring home. Repairing or reusing what you can and buying second-hand products when possible. Separation into 3 or more types of waste. Wet waste, dry, reusable, recyclable materials, toxic waste, compost food scraps, and other organic waste. Food waste and any other wet waste can decompose. Reuse materials whenever possible. Bottles, old clothes, books, and anything else that is used again for a similar purpose to that originally intended. Recycle materials and organize for government and industry to develop the community recycle programs. Glass, paper, cardboard, metal, plastic, tires, textiles, batteries, and electronics. Safely dispose of all waste that cannot be reused or recycled. These are chemical or toxic waste that need in special handling and disposal.